How to build your Mary Kay business without ever having to leave home. The first step is you have to have a system that is consistently a way to bring women into your life without ever having to leave home. Now, of course, I'm going to share Book It Pink because it is a way that you can sit down and literally book skincare classes right from the comforts of your own pajamas. And that's so exciting, right? The first way is that you have to have a solid and consistent way of growing your business that doesn't entail leaving your home. Now, Book It Pink is perfect for that because it allows you to grow your business using Bridal Leads. If you want more information about that, go ahead and click on the link below. You not only have to have a solid way of bringing those women into your life, but you also have to know exactly what to say to have success, to book those skincare classes, and we give you all of that. Now, when you're booking those skincare classes, you need to just tell them, here's what you're going to do. And so you're going to give them the address of your studio. Your studio can be anything you want it to be, right? If you're a new consultant starting out, it can be in your home. It could be at your success meeting if your director will allow it, or if you are a sales director. Okay, so there's lots of different options. Now that leads me to the last thing, and that is you have to make your studio perfect. Now, what do I mean by perfect? Well, think about when you want to go somewhere absolutely amazing, right? Let's think of a 5-star hotel compared to a 2-star hotel. What are the differences between those two places? Well, I've been to both and I can tell you, right? A 2-star hotel, average, very run down, looks shabby, not somewhere that I'd like to stay at all. Now, what does a 5-star hotel look like? A 5-star hotel is breathtaking, right? It's beautiful. It's amazing. I want to spend all my time there. That's what you want your studio to look like. Get ideas from the internet. The internet is full of ideas for you that you can make that studio look absolutely amazing. Go online, go to Google, and then look under images like beautiful Mary Kay skincare class. Pray about it if you have to get those ideas. Now, here's another tip. You don't have to spend a ton of money doing this, okay? Utilize the dollar store. You can still make it look gorgeous, make it look classy, make it look elegant, but make it look absolutely 5-star. I hope this tip helped. If you found this helpful, then there's 2 things that you should do. Number 1, subscribe so you're notified when new videos are released. And number 2, check out our VIP club, where some of the most entrepreneurial and best performing women in all of Mary Kay hang out to learn, share ideas, and get educated on the latest strategies for growing a thriving and super successful Mary Kay business.